Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would revisit the Cochin Shipyard Limited to see the latest status on the Indian Navy's first indigenous aircraft carrier, which is the INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant, also known as the Indigenous Aircraft Carrier 1, is an aircraft carrier which is under construction by the Cochin Shipyard in Kochi, Kerala. It is the first aircraft carrier to be built by India. Laying the keel, which is the formal recognition of the start of a ship's construction. For INS Vikrant, the keel was laid during February 2009, and post all the work and progress made, the basin trials was initially scheduled to begin by March. However, the construction delays caused that to be moved back to April 2020. And now, due to the current situation prevailing, Indian Navy mentioned that the trials are unlikely to begin before September or October 2020. This long delayed warship was scheduled to be ready by end of 2018, but due to various delays in getting the aviation equipment from Russia, the delivery date has been postponed. As per the latest update from the defense sources, it looks like the INS Vikrant is expected to be completed by 2021, and it might be commissioned post that, which would be 2023 tentatively. The INS Vikrant is a 262 meters long and 62 meters wide vessel with almost 40,000 tons displacement. With a range of almost 8,000 nautical miles at a speed of 20 to 25 knots, the INS Vikrant is set to receive a large crew complement composed of 190 plus officers and 1,450 sailors, which includes the air crew members. The aircraft carrier will be able to accommodate up to 30 fighters and helicopters, including the MiG-29K fighter jets, the Kamau K-31, the Westland Sea King, and HAL Dhruv choppers. Coming to the armaments, the INS Vikrant is equipped with 4 76mm Melara naval gun, which is built and designed by the Italian defense company Otto Melara. This powerful indigenous aircraft carrier is powered by 4 General Electric LM2500 gas turbines. Now coming to the missiles, INS Vikrant will be equipped with Barak 1 and Barak 8 Israeli surface-to-air missile designed to be used as ship-borne point defense missile system against aircraft, anti-ship missiles and unmanned aerial vehicles. This INS Vikrant will be equipped with a modern early air warning radar, very high frequency or ultra high frequency tactical air navigation and direction finding systems, and it will also have the jamming capabilities feature. There are sensors and tactical data links on board which would provide real-time situational awareness. The flight deck will feature 2 takeoff runways and a landing strip equipped with 3 arrestor wires. The short takeoff but arrested recovery system on an angled flight deck is used to launch and recover an aircraft from the deck of an aircraft carrier. According to the sources, looks like the indigenous aircraft carrier second will be fitted with the steam catapults rather than the short takeoff but arrested recovery. The INS Vikrant is constructed using high-strength steel manufactured in-house with the assistance of Defense Research and Development Organization and the Steel Authority of India. These aircraft carriers will be the biggest warships ever built by Cochin Shipyard Limited. Once the INS Vikrant is completed, India will join the ranks of United States, England, Russia, France and China in the construction of their own flight carriers. So let us hope India completes building, trials and commissioning this particular aircraft carrier at the earliest so that Indian Navy power will also be boosted. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.